Hello everyone, hope you guys are having great time. In this video, I'm going to be sharing the top reasons why your car may be overheating. So most of the times, the main cause of overheating is the leakage of the coolant. If the coolant leaks, there won't be sufficient coolant to cool the engine. So make sure to look for the leaks in hoses, radiator, water pump, thermostat housing, heater core, and head gaskets. Another reason why your car may be overheating is the coolant concentration. Wrong mixture of coolant and distilled water can cause your car to overheat. So make sure that you are using the correct mixture and correct coolant for your car. Another reason for overheating might be the bad thermostat. If your car's thermostat gets stuck in a closed position, coolant can no longer pass through, and because of which your car engine will get overheat. Another reason might be the failure of the radiator fan. Radiator fan pulls air across the radiator to reduce the temperature of the coolant. But if your radiator fan is not working, it can't help to reduce coolant temperature, and then your car engine will get overheat. And also make sure that there are no cracks or holes on the hoses. And the final reason might be the bad water pump. Water pump is also known as the heart of the cooling system. If it gets damaged, there won't be enough pressure to propel the engine coolant throughout the cooling system, because of which your car's engine will get overheat. Also check if water pump belt is loosened or broken. If it's loose or broken, correct volume of coolant will not flow and your car engine will get overheat. So these were the top reasons why your car is overheating. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Here I'll be uploading informative videos related to cars. Thank you so much for watching and drive safe.